Hey guys, I am super excited because a rumored Apple Spring event could be right around the corner. Apple could be sending press invitations for an upcoming spring event announcing new products, new services, new software releases, and much more. So let's just dive right into this video. Now, as always, if you would like to stay up to date with the latest iOS news and Apple software updates, of course, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you turn on those notifications so that you don't miss another episode. So I'm sure Tim Cook will take on stage and share with us some of the latest updates in regards to services like Apple TV Plus, maybe adding new TV shows and content, also Apple Music and so forth. But this year we could be seeing a new service being added, and that is Apple Pay Later. Apple Pay Later has been a service that Apple has been working on, internally testing, and it looks like this event coming up could be the announcement for this new service, Apple Pay Later, alongside Apple Savings. So I'm looking forward to some of these new services and updates that Apple will most likely provide us at the beginning of this event. And at the spring event, we'll most likely see the updated spring collection for the Apple Watch bands and iPhone cases as well, which we pretty much get every single year towards the springtime. So now I'm going to go ahead and shift my attention over to some of the new products we can expect for Apple to announce at this event. I know you guys are looking forward to some of these new products, and I want to start off with the Mac. A new MacBook Air could be announced. A 15-inch M2 MacBook Air could be announced at this spring event. Apple supply chain has already started producing these displays back in February, and according to display industry analyst Rose Young, these Macs could be ready in time for April. So announcing these in March, pre-orders late March, beginning of April, makes a lot of sense. So new MacBook Air would be announced at this event with the new M2 and M2 Pro. Now on these spring's event, Apple also has a what's called a mid-cycle update in colors for the latest iPhone models. Last year it was the color green, you may remember that. And this year, Apple is rumored to be announcing a new yellow iPhone 14 and 14 Pro. Now, of course, the colors will be a little bit different according to the model that you choose, but yellow could be the color announced this year as a mid-cycle refresh, new color for spring on the iPhone this year. And last but not least, I would like to talk about software, because software could play a big role at this event, given the fact that Apple could be announcing Apple Pay Later, Apple Savings, and maybe even Apple Music Classic. iOS 16.4 could be released as an RC or release candidate before these services ship out maybe at the beginning of April. According to Mark Gurman, iOS 16.4 should be shipping to customers in April. So we'll have to wait and see when Apple releases the RC. So we're looking at maybe mid to late March. If the event is on the week of the 20th, which is my guess, we'll see the RC released during or after this event alongside all the other updates available for the Mac, the iPhone, the Apple Watch, and the iPads and all that good stuff. So stay tuned here to the channel. The event invitations could go out as early as this week coming up on March the 6th. So this week, March the 6th, invitations, event towards the 20th of March, and a release date for the products and services alongside software the beginning of April. And that is everything I know so far in regards to Apple's upcoming event. Let me know if you're excited, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.